Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back. Today we are taking the tour to Dubai Island to see the island's transformation. As you can see around, there are lots of construction happening at the moment, and all those buildings are going to be delivered in 2027 and 2028. The entire island will be completed. So let's have a look around. So we are going there to this building. This is Imtiaz building on the right side. On the left side there is another Imtiaz buildings right there. Can you see where is the cranes? And there is a signboard as well. Total Imtiaz has 14 buildings here. Now we are gonna cross it right here. And on the left side this is again Imtiaz. Actually, this is one developer which has the maximum plots in the island, and they are the first who are going to hand over their project in Dubai Island, which is the Beach Walk 1. And now we are launching Beach Walk 4, which is the fourth building here. So basically in Imtiaz we have all the different locations. We have near the mall, we have near Marina, and also see this is another Imtiaz building, and we have on the beach. This is building again front, this is again Imtiaz, and this is the mall, which is almost superstructure is ready. So see guys, lots of things happening in the island, and we know it's gonna be 20 kilometers of the beachfront, biggest mall, school, 9 marinas, 86 international hotels, and now we are reaching. Also they start doing landscaping, so in the 2 years this island gonna be transformed to the hot tourist destination with lots of greenery, beach access, golf courses, marinas. It's gonna be really beautiful. So let's go and see the quality of the construction and showroom. By the way, right there it's a hotel. There are 3 hotels already operational in the island, and they are fully booked as well. On the right side you see there is a mall construction on the right side. So construction is happening on the full swing. This is Santara Hotel and we have Rio Hotel. Both are operational, there are tourists, and they are fully booked. But as I said, in total it's going to be 86 international hotels. So this is the first project which is going to be handed over on the island. And look at this exterior. When I was showing renders to my client, they was asking me, Katrina, is it really gonna be like these balconies? And yes, exactly what you've been seeing on the pictures, this is what Imtiaz is going to be delivered. And let's go inside and see the quality of the construction. The lobby look like a 5-star hotel with some seating area, with a grand lobby. Just look at this. There is a lounge area right there, and all this decoration in ocean theme. This is exactly what you're gonna have. Absolutely amazing quality. Look, we have combination of the stone and wood. Plus right here we have some working area. You can connect your laptop.
Imtiaz started as a construction company in 1993. So to Dubai we came also as a construction company in 2008, but the development of Imtiaz, it was founded in 2014. So now what you see here, everything is included. So all of our apartments are coming fully furnished and fully designed, except of the accessories, except of the carpets and the curtains. Yeah. So, but whatever else, like the wall panels or fully fitted kitchen with Miele kitchen appliances. Miele, it is a German brand. The TV, the design of the TV itself, everything is coming. Yeah, with the whole package. That is why this is such a great value for money, because you're buying an apartment and everything is coming together with a very nice modern design and also with Alexa smart home system. So together with that, we are coming with our new launch, which is Sunset Bay 5. It is located more towards the middle of the island. Where you were entering, you might see on the right side there were Imtiaz flags. So we haven't launched that project yet, but we are launching in the middle of September. And we have already started to collect EOIs. So one bedroom there will be starting at 1,950,000 dirhams. And two bedroom will be starting at 2,800,000 dirhams. Located 5 minutes by walk from the marina, 7 minutes walk from the beach. The interiors, everything inside will be exactly the same. That is why the most affordable price for the Imtiaz projects in Dubai Islands. And if you will see Dubai Islands, currently this is the only waterfront community which is available in the whole Dubai, which is still developing. That is why it is still at the earliest stages. Yeah? So it's amazing to enter into it at this time, because if the investors will wait for another 1 year or 2 years, the prices are rising.
This is fully fitted, fully furnished kitchen with all the kitchen appliances. We have a sink with 2 sections. Then we have plenty of storage spaces here and here as well. Miley kitchen appliances. This is your stove and all this, look, nice details. This is your dryer to dry the plates and all your dishes. Then here we have another space for the plates, for the glasses. This is an amazing thing for the groceries, for the spices. Look, so you don't need to go high up. Another space for the storage. This is the grill. Another storage. And this is your built-in freezer, fridge and freezer. Also Miley. Let's go check the bedroom. By the way, there is an additional space which is not the room, but it's like a study. You can make a sliding door and you make it cover or you keep it open. And plus there is a guest bathroom. Look at the finishing. Light colors, we have very nice tiles and the quite big size of the sink. Everything in light colors, which gives you this fresh, modern vibe. And then we have a bed. What you see is what you get. Bedroom, all these decorations, all the wall panels, lighting, everything included. And plus we have a wardrobe. It's also very modern, glass with 2 sections. And of course we have a window in the bedroom to maximize your views and to have a natural light inside your bedroom. Here is the bathroom with a standing shower, with a sink. Also there is some space to keep your towels, lighting, mirror, and all the small shelves, all those decorations are also included. Of course, in such a a spacious beachfront property, you need to have a spacious balcony. So look, this is a very good sized balcony, and those are your views. Still lots of constructions happening around, but you can see all the buildings are low-rise, so maximum you can have 8 floors. Corner units are 14 floors, so all low-rise, all have a walking distance to the beach. So from here, it's literally 2 minutes walk. And just 2 minutes walk from the project, this is the beach. Guys, the beach is already ready. It's so green, it's fully landscaped, and it's already operational. You see people already coming here for a swim because it's not overcrowded yet, and water is crystal clear. Plus we have a white sandy beach. An amazing thing, it's a pet friendly. You can bring your dog with you. So now we started collection of EOIs for the latest Imtiaz launch, Sunset Bay 5. If you would like to secure your unit, it's only 57 units available, so they will fly very fast. Reach me out, I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.